Alright, I'm in the camper, waiting on the grandchildren. I'm going to show them a trick. The disappearing nickel. And see if they can get it. Then after, I'm going to show how I did the trick. Alright. Here are the nickel. There's the nickel. I got 2 glasses. And the nickel. One of the glasses. So let me get this thing right. So as soon as they get here, we're gonna show them this trick. There's 2 glasses and a nickel. 2 glasses and a nickel. Alright. What we're gonna do is make the nickel disappear. Let's see. 1. Hope you see the nickel. 1, 2, 3. Nickel has disappeared. See if we can bring it back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, keep your eye on the nickel. I'm gonna do it one more time, then I'm gonna do it when the kids get here. I'm gonna keep your eye on the nickel. Okay, keep your eye on the nickel. 1, 2, 3. Nickel's gone. 1, 2, 3. Nickel's back. Alright, we'll see if they can figure it out. Then I'm going to show them how to do the trick. They're young. One's in kindergarten and one's in 3rd grade. The boy's in 3rd grade and the little girl's in kindergarten. See if they can figure it out. Now they're pretty smart. Disappearing nickel. Two glasses. 1 coin. Disappeared. Two glasses, 1 coin. Came back. Okay, y'all ready for the trick?
Yeah.
Now these 2 have just about figured out every trick I ever did. Alright, now if you ever figure out the trick, don't tell the other one, okay?
Okay.
Alright, now it's going to be the disappearing coin trick.
Okay.
Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera off y'all a little bit. It's going to go on the coin. Okay.
Don't touch it, Colton. I'm telling you.
Alright, now we got 2 glasses.
Huh?
Okay, got 2 glasses.
Okay.
And we got a coin. Okay? A nickel. Now what I'm going to do is, now watch carefully. I'll make the nickel disappear.
No, you can't. That's impossible.
Huh?
That's impossible.
You think it is?
Well, it's not impossible, but yeah.
You think it's
You
impossible?
can't. Yeah. You can't.
Okay. Let me turn this around with Jack Daniels is facing me. Okay. Alright. Now you see the little nickel? Alright, here goes. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Now keep your eye on the nickel. 1, 2, 3.
That's impossible. Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3.
That's impossible.
Sit down, Addie. Sit down.
There's something under there?
Huh?
Something's under there. I know it. Something's under there. What? You put paper under there.
People?
No, you put paper under there.
Watch.
That impossible.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Ready?
3.
That
You figured it out, Cozy?
Yes, I figured it out.
Yeah, you figured it out. I cannot fool you. I cannot fool you for nothing.
Me too.
You figured it out too?
Mhm. It went under here. It was paper. You couldn't touch it, Addie.
I cannot fool you on any kind of trick.
Because I knew there was paper under
can't
there.
figure it.
Yeah, and I knew it.
How
Yeah,
you
me
knew?
too. Because it looked like paper, and there's no way, so there was paper under there.
It had to be something, huh?
Yeah.
I couldn't figure this thing out when somebody showed it to me.
Looks pretty good.
Let's see you. Let me see you do it. 1, 2, 3. That's close.
Oh, you need to stop joking or say, cause I know what they doing.
I'm telling you, I cannot fool these kids.
Oh, you
You got it,
can't
Cole?
fool us. Right, fool Mama.
You fool me.
So that's how it's done. Let me see. Face the glass to me. Let me see the glass. The one with the paper on it. You just take some paper, hold the glass up, Addie.
Hold the glass to Papa.
Papa, Addie. Yeah. Face it to me. You just glue some paper to the bottom one of the glasses. Then you can't fool
A 5-year-old.
a 5-year-old
And I said,
and a 7-year-old. But anyway, I was fooled.
because it was paper under it.
You can't fool a 77-year-old.
Why, Addie?
It was paper on it.
What?
It was paper under it. Because I know it.
Something.
How you knew that?
Because you're filming and my fire with my own eyes.
All right. Y'all got it figured out, kids.
Careful.
The disappearing nickel. Can't fool y'all. I'm going to find a trick I can fool y'all with.
You try.